How to sitemap your Squarespace website and submit it to your Google console. Hey everyone, and welcome. I hope you're all doing great. This is going to be a straightforward tutorial on how to do so. Now, first, we are going to discuss how to actually get the sitemap for your Squarespace, so you can actually go ahead and open it up. Now, sitemap is pretty much a blueprint to your website. So first, you will need to locate your domain. So we can just go ahead and go to the settings at the bottom here. And just to make sure you get the domain correct, we can just go to domains and email. And then from here, we want to go to domains. Now here we are just going to click on the domain that is built in for me. But if you have a domain that you're using instead, a custom one, you can also use that one. So whichever domain that you're actually using currently for your Squarespace is the one that we want. So in my case, it's going to be this Potato Clementine's random domain that they gave me, right? So I'm just going to go ahead and copy it. So just go ahead and Control C to copy it. And then we can just go ahead and open up a new tab in our browser. Now we can also do it from the same tab, it doesn't really matter, but we want to basically paste this in. And then, okay, hold on, let me just go ahead and delete that. There you go. This is pretty much what we wanted, the actual domain itself. I'm not sure what else I copied. But anyway, so just go ahead and copy the domain and enter it over here. And before you hit enter, you want to do /sitemap, like so, and then .xml. And if you hit enter on that, you will find the sitemap for your Squarespace website. It's just going to have all the things necessary for it. Now, obviously, mine is like, I probably only has one page, so this is why it's not full. Yours could be completely different from mine, and it could go like down further and further and further down. It does not really matter. It's just going to, obviously, the more stuff you have on your website, the more is going to be in your sitemap. So basically, we want this entire thing now. And people usually just go for Google search console and to submit their sitemap from here, which is going to obviously help them quite a lot. But in Squarespace, instead of going to this section here in Google search console and adding your domain and all of those things, instead we can just go ahead and go back to our Squarespace account itself. And then from here, we can just go to the settings option at the bottom. And then we want to go to third-party tools. Now you will have connected accounts option and extensions. We want to go to the connected accounts option, click on that. And then click on connect account. Even if you have other accounts here, just go ahead and click on connect account. And you will have a few options here, but we want Google search console. So just go ahead and click on that, and then you would want to basically sign into your account and obviously agree to the terms of service and continue and allow them for whatever is the requirements here. Obviously, we'd want to read through it and just click on continue, and pretty much you can just set it up this way, and you can just go ahead and click on save and continue on, and you will have your account connected. So this is pretty much how to sitemap your Squarespace. Hopefully you found this video to be helpful, and thanks for watching.